Hello, this is Annette from needlepointers.com, and I have a quick tip for you today. Do you have furniture that has some scratches on it that you want to make less conspicuous? How you can do that is with some ordinary coffee grounds. Just take some coffee grounds and hold them on the scratch. And you want to hold it on there for a few minutes. Now I'm going to hold it on there and then I'll be back and I'll show you what the results are. After holding them there for a few minutes, then brush them away. And as you can see, it is not as visible as it was before. I haven't done this one. And this spot here looked about the same, and you can see that it's not quite as visible. I'm going to continue to do my table and finish up putting it on, and I'll show you what it looks like after it's done. I forgot to mention that the coffee grounds are wet, but please don't use them right after you brewed your coffee. You don't want to put something hot like that onto your table, but leave them cool down, or if they dry out, just mix some water with them and then put it on your table. Okay, it's been on there for quite a few minutes, so let's remove it and see what the table looks like now. Now, the scratches are not completely gone, but they are definitely less visible. I think maybe I'll do it again and try to get them a little more less visible. As you can see, the scratches look much better. You don't have to go and buy that expensive scratch remover that you find in the stores. You can always use some coffee grounds. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook. To follow us, just click the iCard or the link in the description section. Also visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of information on crafting and woodworking. Thank you.